Where are we, Buster? Buster, where are we? Where are we? Oh.
This is Bunny with Bunny Plays Here. If you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him. Where are we, Greg?
We're in East Jesus. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It's a big old bell. Man, that thing rings forever. What do you think, Buster? Is that good? Will that hold you? Will I keep you in?
He says no.
Nothing keeps Buster in, huh, Buster? Look at, they got pens so you can write in here if you want to draw something. Look at these safes. These are big safes. Most of these safes weigh a ton. The old 4-arm, 3-legged baby doll, oh, 6-arm, 3-legged baby doll lighter piece.
Another one of those?
Yep, another one of those.
Right next to Mr. Roboto.
Mr. Roboto, children of the sun. So these are all Volkswagen hits. Pretty cool. Interesting stuff. I like that one.
A small railroad. I would love, yes. Okay, you guys, give you the short rules. 2 rules. 1, everything is touchable. Yeah, no, you find something you like, go ahead and pee on it. All right? 2,
Wait, you didn't tell us that rule.
2, if you can have a dog. 2, if you touch it and it breaks, blame it on the dog.
So you just hang out with this guy all day?
Oh, go touch it. It's two-faced.
I saw that. I saw that. Let's go check that out. Yeah, it's cool.
I know.
There's a fur Gila monster, it looks like. Gila monster fish. Furry. It's a fur fish monster. Look at this, is kind of cool. This is actually moving in the wind. Kinetic sculpture. There's a lot of Volkswagens here. Beer. 4 out of 5 people prefer Prozac. It's probably true. It might even be a little higher than that. So here's the wall of TVs. And this is what Buster came for. Huh, Buster? Someone didn't like that little bitty TV. The television will not be revolutionized. Irritainment. That's funny. Free thought. Only $89.99. I think this might be a Marilyn Manson quote. Look at that bus, it's like buried. The back half is buried in the ground. If you're looking for a nice room, here you are. You can come with a dresser. Oh, this is cool. Right up top in style. Look at those fins. Those are cool. Would you drive this, Kelly?
Yeah.
But it is for official use only. This is actually pretty cool. Want to hammer out a tune? Still got the keys. Now I keep telling you, this is what we need in the passenger side of the box truck. Kelly, it's for you. We're done.